Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm making a copycat recipe of those big jumbo muffins that you get at Sam's Club or Costco. They're really good. My favorite is the chocolate. So that's what we're gonna make today. I'm starting with a stick of butter that I melted most of the way. It's really soft, that's what you want. You can melt it all the way and just let it cool a little bit, but if you put a stick of butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds and then just let it sit for a while, it gets real soft like this, and that's what you want. So to this I'm going to add our sugar, which is 1 1/4 cups, and our vanilla, and we're going to just whisk this together. Okay, now I'm going to put in our eggs one at a time. Now I'm going to add our milk. It's 3/4 cups of whole milk. I suppose 2% would probably work as well. Now we're going to add our sour cream. And by the way, I will put the actual recipe down in the description. Whisk it till all the lumps are out. That's just little pieces of little bits of sour cream. You want to get those out, so just whisk it until it's thin again. And I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder in here. I'll go ahead and put that in. So next we're going to put in our flour. 1 3/4 cup. And I'm going to switch from using a whisk now to using a spatula. You want to get it mixed together real well, but you don't want to just keep stirring it and overmix the batter. So the last thing to put in is the chocolate chips. It's 2 cups, and I'm going to save a little bit to put on top of the muffins. That much. I've got a jumbo muffin tin here and 6 jumbo muffin liners, and that's the amount you're going for. I'm going to use this scoop just so that I try to make sure I get the same amount in each one. Got some extra batter, so I'm just going to put a little bit more in each one. If you end up with some extra batter, you can always just make a few regular sized cupcakes, or maybe you don't make the muffins jumbo muffins, you want to make them regular size, just use a regular cupcake tin. I'm going to put some chocolate chips on each one. Okay, our muffins are done, and I already know they taste delicious because I had some leftover batter and I just made them in small cupcake size ones for the extra batter. So I know they're delicious. It's been a long time since I've had one from either Sam's or Costco, but I think this recipe is hard to beat. It's really good, and it's just as good or better than theirs. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.